In a biscuit factory, a biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shops. They come in colorful packets. They are made in a factory. But how are biscuits made in a factory? Let's find out. Get a recipe. Get the ingredient things that go in a biscuit. Next, decide how much of each to use. Weigh each ingredients. Mix the things and make a dough. Knead the dough like this. Then roll out the dough. Cut out the dough into biscuit shapes like this. Then bake the dough shapes in an oven like this. Then cool the ready biscuits. Then see if the biscuits are done baked properly. Then we will pack the biscuit into packets. And after that, store and sell the packets. Then the biscuits are ready to sell in the market. So this was the topic in a biscuit factory. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. थैंक यू.